Hi, this is Cherie Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today I am going to be doing a tutorial on Shemodern water decals. This is what the package looks like. I won these from Nails of Interest off of YouTube. I'm sorry, I'm stumbling over words here. I picked the flip-flops, and I also won another giveaway from Kay Lilla. And from her, let me see, I also picked water decals, but let me see if I can find them. These are the water decals. I don't know how well you can see them. Flip-flop, mustaches, and lips. Those I won from Kay. But today we are going to be doing flip-flops. Cut them out as close to the design as you can possibly do. I have chosen, two little flip-flops here. I've got a little cap full of water. I don't have, the best would be a tiny bottle, an eye drop dispenser where you just drip the water on the canvas here. Whoops. So I'm going to put both my designs in there. Let them sit. Soak up the water so they can come off the paper. And we will start our tutorial. On my nails, I have a pink French manicure, which I did offline, as well as my cleanup, and I have a top coat of Sesh Feet. That's my fast drying top coat, my go-to. I am going to just keep patting these down so they are ready to come off the paper, and they are ready. I didn't grab a pair of tweezers. My bad. It doesn't look like I'm going to have any either. I have picked up one of the flip-flop designs. I'm going to place it on my nail. It's best to have a tissue handy so you can dab the design down. Get it in place where you want it so it's nice and flat. You may need to get some water down on your nails to make this flat. And there we go. There is one flip-flop down. I'm going to take some water and put it on my nail. Maybe it'll help with the design sticking. And we picked up our second design, our second flip-flop. Try to position that on the nail the best you can. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to take my nail, position it on there the best way. This does not want to stay on my nail. It's not wet enough. There. There we have both our designs. On our palette we have the backing paper, which you can keep if you want to, say you were doing this, you cut out too many designs and you wetted them. You want to re-stick them back to the paper. Slide them off so that they dry on the paper, and they will re-stick themselves. I'm going to be using my Sesh Feet Fast Drying Top Coat. Don't forget to cap the ends of your nails. Once down the middle, once down each side, back down the middle again. Let me recap this one. And there I have done Shemodern.com's water decals. Look her up. Her name is Tina. She does a lot of YouTube videos, tutorials, telling you how to do this, telling you how to do the nail foils, which I have some of those too. These are some of the nail foils. You need nail glue with those. That's another video I'll do on how to apply. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it informative. Hope you liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so and click the bell so you get notified of all future videos. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye.